Have you ever thought about becoming a freelancer? Perhaps the prospect of setting your own hours, choosing your own projects, and being your own boss has crossed your mind. Today, we delve into the world of freelancing and how to navigate one of the most popular platforms for freelancers, Fiverr. The journey begins with the creation of your Fiverr account. A simple process, but the first step in your freelancing adventure. Visit Fiverr's website and click on Join at the top right corner of the page. Fill in your email address, choose a username, and set a password. Remember, your username will be your brand, make it unique and memorable. Once your account is set, it's time to create your seller profile. This is where potential clients get to know you and your skills. Start with a clear, professional photo of yourself and a concise description. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what services you offer. Tell your story, but remember to keep it professional and inviting. The next step is to create your gig. Think of your gig as your product. It's what clients will purchase from you. Be specific about what you offer, how much it will cost, and how long it will take you to deliver. Include high-quality images or videos to make your gig stand out. Pricing your gig correctly is crucial. Start with competitive pricing to attract clients, but don't undersell your skills. Over time, as you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can adjust your prices accordingly. Once your gig is up and running, it's time to promote it. Share your gig on your social media platforms, your personal website, or any other platform where potential clients might be. The more visibility your gig has, the more likely clients will find you. Responding to client inquiries promptly and professionally is vital in maintaining a good reputation. Always be polite, concise, and professional in your communication. Delivering high-quality work on time will also lead to positive reviews, which will attract more clients. Lastly, always keep improving. Learn from each completed job, each interaction with a client, each review. Use these experiences to refine your skills, improve your gigs, and provide better service to your clients. In summary, starting your freelancing journey on Fiverr involves creating an account, setting up a compelling seller profile, creating and pricing your gig, promoting your gig, communicating effectively with clients, delivering high-quality work, and constantly improving based on experiences and feedback. Remember, freelancing is not just about doing what you love, but also about providing a valuable service to your clients. With patience, perseverance, and a commitment to quality, you can build a successful freelancing career on Fiverr. Enjoy the journey, and may success be yours.